Question number 24. 3 plus root 7 divided by 3 minus root 7. It is nothing but m. 3 minus root 7 divided by 3 plus root 7. It is nothing but n. So one thing for sure is the product is 1. That means they are reciprocals of each other. Another thing for sure is, okay, let me expand it. M minus n whole square is m square plus n square minus 2mn plus mn. I will write it as it is. So this is m square. N value is 1 by m. N square is 1 by m square minus 2mn plus mn. It is minus mn, right? Minus mn. But we know that mn value is nothing but how much? It is 1. So it is m square plus 1 by m square minus 1. But we don't want to simplify the entire thing like the way we solved in method 1 in the previous two questions. I'm sure that you understood method 1 by now. So we know a beautiful property. M square plus 1 by m square will be of the form k square minus 2 followed by minus 1. So answer should be of the form k square minus 3. Within seconds you should solve all these questions. K square minus 3, only one option, 253, which is 256 minus 3. The other options are definitely not satisfying, therefore they are incorrect. I am sure that you are able to solve this way of problems very easily from now onwards. Now question number 22, 23, 24. All the three questions are almost the similar kind of questions. The reason behind solving the first three questions or the question 22, 23, 24 is to build that platform for you people to solve the next question, question number 25 within seconds, because this question, question number 25 is your original SSC 2007 mains examination question. This is your original SSC mains question, sir. Same question we have just put it on the screen, and in this question, instead of giving you n value which is the reciprocal of m, they are directly saying in the question itself as mn is equal to 1. Now see here, that means can I say that m value is nothing but 7 plus 4 root 3, right? M value is nothing but 7 plus 4 root 3, and mn value is nothing but 1. That means I can say that because mn value is nothing but equal to 1, I can say that n is nothing but 1 by m, right? N is nothing but 1 by m. Now think little logically, sir. We have one beautiful condition. which I have discussed in my previous classes also. That condition says if x is nothing but root a plus root b, and there is another beautiful condition, square root of a square minus square root of b square is equal to 1, then I can directly say x plus 1 by x as 2 times of root a and x minus 1 by x as 2 times of root b. Same thing. That means instead of x I have m here, and instead of root a I have 7 here, instead of root b I have 4 root 3 here. Root a whole square, that means 7 square is 49. Root b whole square, 4 root 3 whole square is 16 into 3, 48. If the difference is becoming 1, the condition says the difference should become 1. Yes, the difference is becoming 1 here also. That means can I say that x added with its reciprocal is 2 times of the bigger number. Bigger number is nothing but this root a. So similarly here also I can say that m added with its reciprocal 1 by m is nothing but 2 times of the bigger number 7. So 2 into 7 is 14. That means I came to know the value of m plus 1 by m in this particular question. But what is actually asked in the question? Question says 1 by m square plus 1 by n square. That means question they are actually asking you 1 by m square plus 1 by n square. 1 by n is 1 by m, or I can write m as 1 by n. 1 by n square will be equal to m square. That means very easy right now, sir. If m plus 1 by m is 14, m square plus 1 by m square will be 14 square minus 2. 196 minus 2 is 194. Answer for this question is 194. But this is once again I call it as method 1, because method 2 you actually don't need to find the value of m plus 1 by m as 14. If you are very smart, m value is 7 plus 4 root 3 and they are saying that the product of m and n is equal to 1. That means m square plus 1 by m square is what is actually asked in this particular question. M square plus 1 by m square. M square plus 1 by m square should be definitely of the form k square minus 2. Within second, this original mains questions can be solved within a second or a two. I hope this beautiful logic finding out the problems in the most easiest way possible is very, very clear for every student who is listening to this class. I hope the idea is extremely clear for you people, sir.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.